Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a recipe for hair care. This is the coconut cream hair conditioner mask, which is very good for your hair. It is very easy to make, and when used regularly, this will help you to grow your hair long and thick, make it shiny and healthy. It also increases the volume of your hair, and it is suitable for all hair types. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this coconut cream hair conditioning mask, I will be using 1 cup of coconut scrapings. As you all know, coconut is very good for your health and for skin and even for hair. The cream derived from this coconut scrapings will help to strengthen the hair follicles, thereby providing strength to it, and also avoids early signs of graying. It can moisturize your scalp, keep your hair healthy and shiny. It doesn't strip your hair of its natural oil because the oil from this cream will provide nourishment to it. The next ingredient is flax seeds. Flaxseed, I'll be taking 3 tablespoons. Flaxseed also is very good for your health when consumed. It is also good for your hair and skin. When used on hair, it promotes quicker and longer hair growth by nourishing the roots. It has vitamin E and nourishes the scalp while reducing the free radical damage. It can promote hair development and slow the hair breaking by improving the blood flow into the scalp. By using this flax seeds regularly on your hair, it can strengthen the hair roots, thereby making your hair shinier and healthier. The method to make this coconut hair cream gel is very simple. All you need to do is grind the coconut scrapings initially. First thing is you need to take a mixer jar and add the scrapings. Grind it into coarse, and if you find little bit dry, then you can add little bit of water, at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and grind it thoroughly. And you can filter this or sieve this so that you can extract the coconut milk or the cream. The thicker the milk, it is good. If you have added an extra water, then this will be little bit thin, but that's not a problem. You can, however, take out the milk of this coconut. The next thing is to make the flaxseed gel. For that, I have taken a bowl, added some water, almost 100 ml of water, placed it on the stove, and I'm going to allow it to boil for a while. I will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. This will be enough for one time use, and it will take at least 5 to 10 minutes for the gel to come up. It needs slow cooking, and stirring it continuously will make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Initially you will find it is quite watery, but as you cook, the flax seeds will bloat up and it will liberate the gel into the water, and the gel will be ready. So just leave it for 10 minutes. So once it is done, you can see that the water is thickening. That means the gel is coming up into the water. The gel is very useful for all conditioning of your hair. Most of the time this gel is the one which works to give the shine to your hair. Therefore adding this gel into your hair care is very good. It will always give good results. So here the gel is ready. After 10 minutes you need to put off the stove and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. So once it is cool, you can sieve this using a cloth or a filter or anything which will help you to take out the gel to the maximum. You can also use old socks and add this flax seeds into that and squeeze it out. Here I have got this cotton cloth, so I'm going to take out the gel. So here I have got 1 cup of the flax seeds gel. This is enough for one-time use, but if you have made it in a larger quantity, you can store this in the refrigerator. For this gel I will be adding the coconut cream which I just extracted, and you have to mix it thoroughly. This coconut cream hair conditioning mask is ready, but if you find it is bit watery, as is the case in this video, sometimes you find that the cream becomes watery. Yes, because if you have added a little bit extra water while grinding, then this will be watery. For that, to make it thicker, I will be using soya powder. In this video I have used soya powder, but you can also use rice powder, even mehendi powder, oats powder, or anything which thickens a little bit, so that it should also be good for your hair. You can also use moong dal powder. All these are conditioning agents to your hair. Once the mask is ready, apply it all over your hair. Cover the entire length of your hair and keep it for 2 to 3 hours and wash off with any natural shampoo to reveal a shiny and healthy hair. This mask can be used once a week to give good results. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.